What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Iron Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a curve for the top edge of the brow. We're going to start on the left side. Let's bend this down in the middle, go all the way across, and then up on the right. Now from the ends, we're going to draw a straight line going up along the inside trim of the mask. Go to the right side and draw that same length line going up towards the same height. Now from here I just want to bend this up and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. From the top, we're just going to angle this down and then in with a straight line. Come down from the right, and we'll close this off in the center. Let's add that small detail in the middle. From these 2 points, we're going to draw a straight line going up to right about there. Now I want to round up the corner, come straight across towards the right, and then down. Now we're going to add a bevel across the side of the helmet. Starting from the top, we want to bend this in and then down towards the edge of the brow, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Let's move to the center and add a gap in between the eyes. We're going to move over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down, go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Let's go all the way out towards the edge of that bevel, angle the eye, coming down and in, and we'll curve the bottom of the eye, coming down and in towards the inside line. Let's go back to the outside of the brow. Draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the cheeks. Now I want to curve the cheek coming in and then down towards the chin. So we'll start with the left side, coming in, and we'll bend that all the way down towards the bottom, and then do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's curve the bottom of the chin, going down and then up. Now from the side of the chin, draw a straight angled line going up and in, and we'll flatten this off. Let's go back out to the cheek. We're going to add another bevel coming across and then down towards these 2 points. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add that trim across the bottom. So we're going to step up, draw another line going across, and then angle this down towards the side. Let's move up again, draw one line going across the mouth. And I want to step up, draw the top edge of the mouth with another line, and it'll fill the middle area in black. Let's angle the side of the mouth coming down. So draw those 2 lines coming down from top to bottom, and then we'll fill those areas in black. Now we're going to go back out to the side of the cheek. We're going to angle the head coming down and in towards the jaw. So we'll start with the left side. Just a subtle angle coming down and in to right about here. And then round up the jaw. Draw a straight angled line coming in towards the bottom corner of the chin. Let's add a trim along the inside of the jaw. We're going to step in, follow that angled line coming down, round the corner, and then come in toward the side. Now I want to continue this line going up along the side of the head. We'll stop right about there, and then do the same thing on the right, going up and then out. Now I'm going to go back to the left side. We're going to round at the top of the head, go in toward the middle, and then just round out the side of the head on the right. Now let's go and add a metallic glare across the mask. We're going to start from the top left side. We're going to bend this down and then out towards that bevel. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. Start by coming down and up, coming down and across, and then out on top of the right eye. Let's go to the inside of the left eye, add another glare coming down, and then up. Let's add another glare underneath the right eye. Now it's time to art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Iron Man. If you want access to our artist workshops, join our free club mailing list. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.